Hello, and I'm Avtaars. Today is going to be about spinach or palak. I'm going to cook Palak Paneer. This dish originates from northern India, Punjab. Palak grows in abundance there, and paneer is a homemade cheese. When I come home after a long day at work and I want to cook something substantial, something nutritious, paneer is available on the supermarket shelves, as well as palak or spinach is available in many different forms. You can have fresh spinach or the frozen form. You can also use the tinned form. And the way I'm going to cook it, you will be able to use any of those three types of palak to get this delicious dish. I'm going to use the fresh palak here. Into the pan, some oil. If you want to, we add butter and oil combined. A tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let them start sizzling. In goes a tablespoon and a half of crushed garlic. The oil is going to get infused with the garlic flavor, and that combination of spinach or maybe palak and garlic is absolutely yummy. My garlic is done now. As you can tell, it's all turning lovely pink color. And in goes my chopped onions. I've taken 2 small onions there. Onions are turning lovely golden color. I've got 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. This is going to get fried because I've got plenty of oil, as you can tell. Now this is used for the binding. As you tell, my besan is done. By frying here at this stage, it will not give you any lumps later on. The besan, it's got very earthy kind of flavor to it, and when you add this to the palak, this will give you that creaminess without actually taking over the taste of your palak or your spinach, and without actually overpowering. Besan is all done. It's turned into like a lump. 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 green chilies. Ginger is going to go in now. Also, the paneer is very bland. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of ginger there. And in goes my palak. Do not worry at all about that additional fluid that's come out of the leaves. That's where that besan is going to soak up all the additional fluids. Mix it so all your besan and all your onion paste and everything gets mixed together with the palak. It is beautiful color. I have a block of paneer here. Cut it into small squares. Sometimes what you find in the restaurants, they've actually fried it before adding to the dish. This paneer, you will find it in any supermarket or Indian shops. Do not try and substitute this with normal cheese. As soon as that goes into the hot dish, it'll start melting. But this will stay as it is. Palak or spinach has been cooking gently for like 5 minutes. This doesn't need too much cooking. So now in goes my paneer, and just mix it gently. Fold it. You do not want to cook the paneer, you just want to get it heated thoroughly. Cover it for a few more minutes. So palak is ready and paneer is heated right thoroughly. It's ready for plating. Do taste the seasoning before serving. As you can see, there is not any fluid floating around. It's all very creamy. You can garnish it with double cream. I've got some slivers of fresh ginger here. Instead of using double cream, I'm actually going to go for a big dollop of butter, and it will give me that creamy, rich, buttery taste to the palak, and it's got all that palak taste, spinach taste to it. Then paneer stands out. You can actually taste all the different flavors and different tastes. I hope you enjoy cooking and tasting that dish, and thank you very much for being with us. Until next time, God bless you, and goodbye for now.